Hi everyone, welcome to Yan's Kitchen at Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make wonton noodle and egg noodle in chicken curry. The wonton noodle go perfectly with the barbecue pork and the green pickle chilies. And of course, the wonton. Without a wonton, it won't be wonton noodle. It was one of my childhood favorite dishes when I was a little kid, and I always ate the wonton noodle on Saturday afternoon after my activity class. Egg noodle in curry chicken is also one of my favorite dishes whenever I travel to Klang, Malaysia. I have prepared my chicken curry earlier, so I will also be making the egg noodle in curry chicken. So let's get started. To prepare the sauce for the noodle, you will need 1 tablespoon of shallot oil, half tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt just for taste, half tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half tablespoon of caramel sauce, and of course 1 cup of water. Then mix all the ingredients well together. And I nearly forgot to add 1 tablespoon of lard. Continue stirring until it dissolves and mix well with the sauce. The above sauce are all enough to cover 4 portions of the egg noodles. And also for the noodle, I have used egg noodle, but it's all up to personal preference. Now add water into the pot and bring it to boil over high heat. Slowly separate the egg noodle into the hot pot and let it cook for a minute before it floats to the surface. While waiting for the egg noodle to cook, we add 2 soup spoons of sauce we made just now into a bowl. Scoop the noodle up immediately with a drainer and blanch in cold water. Wait until the water in the pot is brought to boil with high heat again. Then put the noodle in and continue to cook. Put the lid on to speed up the boiling of the water. The noodle is completely cooked. Then when it's float on the surface. Make sure the noodle is drained well before adding to the bowl with the noodle sauce. Continue to coat noodle with sauce evenly before transfer noodle into the serving bowl. Follow the same step and continue to cook the remaining egg noodle batch by batch. I then add the curry chicken onto the egg noodle. This is the noodle in chicken curry that I love to eat whenever I travel to Klang.
Also guys, today we're going to be trying my mom's wonton noodles with chicken curry. Let's try it. With that really nice smell, grab some of that sauce. Grab that, look at that. Ooh.
Mommy will give you more.
Will
give you more.
That's good.
Chicken curry.
It just dissolves in your mouth.
How it blends together with the.
Oh.
How is it?
Real good. Let's try chicken.
What you say good? Can you please explain more to me?
It's got that really nice, smooth texture. And it's kind of nostalgic. Reminds me of Malaysia. And that sauce, oh, the heat on that is beautiful. Not too spicy and not too mild.
Can I give it a try?
Sure. Save some for me though.
This is yummy outside. You hold on to this, I hold on to this. I'll let you go. So good, oh my gosh. I only have another bite again. It's so yummy. Oh my goodness. Mommy had another bit try. It's so yummy. Oh my goodness. So good.
That soup.
My goodness, so yummy.
I'm gonna have it again. Guys, you gotta try this. You gotta tell this to your friends. Share, like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Helps us out a ton, and it's free. Thank you.
It's so yummy, isn't it?
The egg noodle you can either eat with chicken curry or serve with barbecue pork, green vegetable, the wonton soup, and a side of pickled green chili. Till then, happy cooking. Please give me a thumbs up if you find this video is useful. Please also share my video and reach out to more people. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button to be informed of the latest video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.